sa church eh. Grabe. Meron ba? Meron ano te? Meron kaas. Iyakari. Meron? Iyakari. Kami ngayon natin.
Ang pari.
Hoy, hindi picture yan. Ito panoorin mo picture. Baka sabihin mo, tsamba lang to kasama ko.
Tsamba ba yan?
Ako wala.
Mayroon.
Ako wala din.
Ayan o. Yan, sino ba yan?
Cheerio, Serbo. Kanina ka nag-ano dyan, no? Ate, kanina ba yan? Sabi ko na eh. Hello. Sayaw na naman. Kuya. Sarap kaya mag-swimming, di ba?
Pero sa mga
May coding pala to. Hello, shout out naman dyan Ate Annalyn Balaka. Laing. Laing na hindi ko makain.
last year, meron pinakilala sa atin na pari daw. Tapos, sabi natin, I think pare-pareho yung reaction natin. Pari pala yun. Kasi, Father, naintindihan mo na, di ba? You can understand. Okay.
Oo daw. Naintindihan na. Little only.
And then, our reaction was, so priest pala yun, he's a priest. So nakikita natin siya dyan, naka-shorts, naka-jogging pants, nagbabike, o galing sa jogging. Tapos dahil naka-mask tayo, it takes some time for us na ma-recognize siya na siya pala yun, si Father Teo Kare. Di ba? I think we all have our mga moments na gano'n, ano? Kasi ako, oftentimes, I thought he was just a young kid. Akala ko, honestly, if he was wearing a mask, and he was wearing his shorts, and he has this bike, I thought, it's just one of those. So it takes some time for me to say, "Hi, Father!" Si Father pala yun. Si Father Teo Kare. As days went by, nakakilala natin siya, nakasama natin siya sa mga meetings, and then nakikita natin siya sa misa. We get to know him, no? Little by little, and we enjoy his company. And nakita natin, maloko pala siya, no? He is naughty. also, he does not only have his endearing ways, his sweet ways, he does not only have that, he also have his naughty moments. Nakita natin yan, no? Outing natin, di ba? Nasa beach tayo, at hindi ko makakalimutan, kasi nagta-touch ball kaming gano'n, pag tinamaan ng bola, ay kaya ka, out ka. At all of a sudden, nakatalikod ako ng gano'n, tapos may humawak sa akin dito, na ang lalaking mga kamay. He has such big hands, hindi ako makagalaw, kaya nagulat ako, nataya tuloy ako. Ayun.
Akala natin si Kamay andito siya pag gusto niya.
Nandito pala sa malayo. That's very good. And we had such fun time, no? Last 2 weeks ago. And sometime soon, most of you will be able to come. But anyway, so nakita ko natin na and it's hard